Everyone, welcome back to our channel Topical Talks. Today we'll show you how to set up MUDAEBOT on Discord. Before getting started, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. So first of all, log into your Discord and then go to Google Chrome and search mudae.bot. In this first website, and from here click on this invite, select a server, click on continue, click on authorize, prove that you are a human, and again go to your Discord server, click on this and click on server settings. From here click on roles and click here edit, click on permission, scroll down to the bottom, click on enable this administration and save changes, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe our channel and we'll see you guys in the next one.